The debt service is an interest payment in most cases to the bank and principal, or interest only. Capitalization rate. This is the rate in which the net operating income repays the purchase price on an annual basis. This is good for when you're selling the property. This helps us when we buy it, and they'll find this information from where? Local brokers, okay? Here you go, guys. This is your T formula. So your T formula is one of the most important formulas that you'll ever learn in this space. What does it mean? If I know the net operating income and I divide it by the capitalization rate, it tells me what? The value of the asset. If I know the net operating income and I divide it by what they want, it tells me what? What's the cap rate they're selling it at? You guys with me on this? If I know what the value of the property is that they're selling it at, times the current cap rate in the market, it'll tell me what the net operating income should be. See how that works? The T chart. Net operating income divided by any of the ones on the below tells you the other answer. This goes back to Math 101 in school. Remember this? Any of the two below divided together tells you what the NOI should be. You guys with me now? So if I tell you the NOI is $45,000 and they want $600,000 for the building, what's the cap rate? I'm going to beat this into you guys. If the NOI is $45,000 and they want $600,000 for the building, how much is the cap rate? If they want, you got it. Yep. If the NOI is $45,000 and they want $600,000 for the building, what's the cap rate? Thank you. So let's look at it a different way. If they want $600,000 for the asset and the current cap rate in the market is 6%, what should the NOI be? $36,000. You guys starting to see this math now? This is how we run these deals. Boom, 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 right? Now, if I look at a deal and I say, look, they're selling a building for $700,000. The current cap rate in that market is 7%. The NOI is what? All right, here we go. This is a two-stacker question. So we know what the NOI is right now, right? Selling the building for 7%. The NOI is what? $49,000. I need to buy this at 1.5% greater cap rate to get a deal. So the cap rate would be what that I need to buy at? 8.5. So tell me what I should pay for it. Where's it? Who said that? I see you, man. Good job. So, you guys see that? It's a double stacker. Don't ask for what their answer is. Tell me your answer. So we know what? We know they're selling at what? And we need to buy it at an 8.5 cap rate. We figured out the NOI already that it's spitting off. So we take the NOI it's spitting off, we divide it by the 1.5. So you guys are frozen right now, aren't you? Of course, absolutely. I done forgot the numbers, but we'll piss them out again. So they want, all right, let's just start over with a new example. Let's get everybody on a clean sheet of paper. Guess what? This is going to be fun Sunday morning. I got all Sunday morning to run 2 deals with you. I blocked out the whole morning for it. All right, let's get a clean sheet of paper. Here we go. You ready? All right, they want $700,000 for this deal. $700,000. That's what they want. Okay? That's what they're stating the value is. They're telling you they're selling it at a 7 cap because that's the market. So the NOI is what? That's that. $49,000. Okay? I need to buy this at an 8.5 because why? 1.5 and greater tells me I should pay what for that property? Thank you. So, because here's what I know. I know what? I know the NOI. So if I know the NOI and I need to buy at 8.5, I just what? I divide it by the cap rate I need to buy it at, which tells me what I can pay for it, which was what? Which was what? $576,000. They want $700,000. I got to buy it for $576. You with me? And that's how fast you move through these things. Who said, oh, is that painful? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yes, Steve. It does. Yeah, because you remember if I went back a slide, what was on that? Look here. See there? We're finding net operating income. What are we subtracting? Taxes and insurance. But what are we not including? It is. Yeah. This is all included. We're paying insurance and we're paying taxes. But the debt service is an interest payment in most cases to the bank and principal, or interest only. We move that out unless you're calculating ROI for depreciation purposes.